After niyan.
Ready
Now.
ah. Sige. It's okay.
You guys okay?
Yeah. We need you.
I cancel heal.
Okay. Wait, wait mo yung E niya bago ka mag-E. Go, E!
Wala lang, cooldown.
Okay, ready, count na.
3 seconds.
Ready na ako.
Go.
The heal is dead. The heal is definitely dead.
Wait ah.
Cut.
Matay si KD na.
Patay ako!
Oh, double kill.
Kahit muna ako, pre.
Okay, sige, go.
Fight.
He's dead. Wait, no, he's not dead yet. Fuck. Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, just Q. That's why he's healing ah. It's okay. Nice one.
Sorry, Kaden.
Dali, okay lang. Kasalanan ko yun, dapat nag-kite ako eh. Pero, goods yan. Patay niyo?
Oo,
Pre,
patay.
ubos namin.
Well played.